Well, hello, YouTube. So I know how I posted a while ago that I was not going to leave Twitter yet at the time, and well, that time has come. I left Twitter. Long story short, um, it's nothing flashy, nothing done out of principles. It's just that Twitter has gotten worse to the point where it's not useful to me anymore. Um, Now, if you share a link to a tweet to people, they have to be logged in, otherwise they can't see the tweet. And that kind of defeats the purpose of the thing, right? It's like Twitter used to be a good place where to do PR. Like you post something, you make an announcement, everybody can see that announcement. Now you need to make an account if you want to see what's in that tweet. So that's dumb. Another dumb thing is the fact that like link previews also don't work anymore. So that plus there's like new limits on how many tweets you can read every day. That's another weird thing, which to me doesn't matter much personally, like as a consumer of Twitter, but it does matter from the perspective of TweetDeck. If you remember my previous video, I showed how I monitor everything that's being said about Zig. 600 tweets, that is not a lot. So long story short, TweetDeck is not usable anymore. Links don't work as announcements as well as they did before, so I don't know what is even the point of using Twitter anymore. So long story short, I'm just abandoning my account. I haven't deleted it. I might go back if things improve in the future. I don't know, but in any case, I'm not gonna post there anymore, and I'm instead gonna focus on other things. I don't know, since I'm making this video, maybe I should also announce some of the things that are coming down the line, I guess. So first of all, if you haven't checked in a while, the Discord server connected to like my account here to the stuff that I do has been renamed. It's not the Zig Showtime Discord server anymore. Now it's called the Software You Can Love server. The software you can love. And that's because the most important thing that I do used to be Zig Showtime. Now it's organizing software you can love conferences. If you're interested, there's a link in the description. You can go to softwareyoucan.love, and there you can read about what the conferences are about, etc., etc. Other than that, and related to that, we had one very recently in Vancouver. It was a lot of fun. It was organized, co-organized by Matt Knight and me. He did most of the work. I helped him out, and also, I'm keeping like I'm making sure that if a thing is called Software You Can Love, then that the messaging is consistent across different instances of the conference. And so we have the recordings, and I need to prepare them and publish them on this YouTube channel. So this is coming down the line. Other things, I'm working on a new redesign of Autodoc for people that care about this stuff. So it's the automated documentation tool that the Z compiler has. So some cool things are coming down the line. Also, new contributors have joined the effort, and they can cover things that I'm not particularly good at. So there's also some interesting updates coming thanks to them, not to me. And yes, life goes on. Life goes on. So also, last point, I am planning to resume Zig Showtime. Even though the Discord server has been renamed and now Software You Can Love is the most important thing that I do plan to resume Zig Showtime. I think that I stopped because it was after the pandemic, after the lockdowns, when things started to reopen, and I think everybody was burnt out by online events, so I wanted to focus on in-person events. And since then, we've had a bunch of Zig meetups. I've been to a few of those. I've been to Berlin, I've been to Stockholm. There we've had 2 Software You Can Love conferences, plus another meetup in April in Milan. So now that in-person events have started rolling out, I think we can also go back and do a little bit of Zig Showtime once again for people who don't happen to live, next to the cities where these conferences or these meetups are organized. So yeah, look forward to that, and I guess I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye.